are Amity, Lucknow. A very warm welcome to Amity School of Applied Sciences, Lucknow. At Amity School of Applied Sciences, we offer skill-based quality education in the field of science. The mission of the institute is to promote in-depth knowledge for the science education and to conduct research in the emerging areas of science and technology. At Amity School of Applied Sciences, we promote experiential learning by converting theoretical skills into the practical knowledge and creating an environment for industry-based applications. If you are interested in taking science and technology as a career and be a part of the national mission of developing science along with technology, be part of us and join us at Amity University Lucknow campus.